Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our 50-week challenge video and our Transfer Tuesday. Before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below. I would love to get to know you guys and let me know if you have a channel as well, because I would love to go and support you guys. And I know a lot of people that are doing the 52-week challenge. I am following a ton of people who are doing them and Transfer Tuesday. If you have not heard of Transfer Tuesday, go and check out Penny's Not Perfection. I will link her stuff down below also. And let's just get started. So, bummer alert. We're only doing the 52-week challenge today. We're not doing Transfer Tuesday. And the reason why is because, well, first off, I'm at home. And I usually do it on my computer where I transfer money on my Wells Fargo account. Well, transferring it like from my bills from my regular checking account to my savings account, because I don't usually pay everything all at once. I go in halves. So like my car is like $498. So first paycheck will be $248. I will transfer that to savings until it's ready to get paid out, and then so on and so forth. So you only allotted like 6 transfers. So with Transfer Tuesday and transferring my bills every 2 weeks, that is literally six like transactions. So I'm at home and I can't transfer any money to my Transfer Tuesday. So when I go to the bank tomorrow, I'm just going to transfer some money. And I'm not sure if I'm going to film it or not. If I do, then it'll be in this video. If not, I'm sorry. But March 1st is coming around and I'll get a whole new 6 transfers that I can do. But anyway, so today we are doing our 52-week challenge, and we are going to put, there's $10. Now, as you can see, I already colored $10, so we have to figure it out. So I feel like we're going to do $9, and then that other dollar I'm going to save, because that's my emergency one. I'm trying not to do that dollar. Now, I did say in the previous video that I thought that I was behind, but I actually checked. So I started on January 7th. That was the first Tuesday. So I started on January 7th, and I am not behind apparently. Apparently I'm not behind. If I go by the videos, I'm not behind. But I'm not sure still. Fine. Let's just, let's be spontaneous. Let's do the $9 and let's do the dollar. Now, if I'm ahead, I'm ahead. If not, then I'm not. So I should be either equal or I should be a week ahead. So we're going to figure this out. But we're going to do the dollar and we're going to do the $9. I was not expecting to, get rid of my dollar so soon. I really wanted to keep it for longer, but I really need to start knocking these bigger, which I knocked out 2, but still. I know I'm just like blabbing, but it's fine. Alright, so I put this in my little snowflake box, and we're going to add $10. Alright, so we have 2, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I have $119 with my 52-week challenge. Alright, you guys, so that is it. Short, sweet, and to the point. I put $1 and $9 in it. So I did a total of $10 in my savings challenge. So let me know how you are doing your 52-week challenge. Are you doing it 1 to 52, 52 to 1, or are you doing it like me and picking up blocks, or are you pulling from like a fishbowl or something and then paying that amount? So let me know down below, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you touch that notifications, because then you'll be notified every time I do Transfer Tuesdays, do my budgeting, my grocery hauls, my weekly meal plan, my what's for dinner. I do a lot of videos. I think I upload almost every single day except for maybe 2 days. So, yeah, just let me know if you're new, and thank you for subscribing and supporting me, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.